we'll take this apart, we'll clean it, we'll make some notes in the spreadsheet, and then we'll fire it up. And then if we need to, we'll print a new label and slap it on the miner.
You want to kind of do this in a methodical way. And it's really helpful to have like a paintbrush so that you can get through a lot of those things. You want to clip those, and then you want to gently disconnect your fans. Then what I typically do is, this is a big thing, don't have these plugged in while you're cleaning or testing them. Just wanted to let you guys know that. These are very fragile, so you got to make sure that your torque is set appropriately, otherwise it'll snap the tops off of them. See how much stuff is built up in there?
Should you touch those purple round things on there?
No, I didn't. Actually, this is what I was doing right here. And yeah, don't do that.
Okay.
I highly recommend not. They are not your friend. And then you just pop it in.